You've seen light reveal. Now see light refresh. You need relief and repair that deliver results fast, whether it's a targeted area or a larger breakout. You want acne reduction and prevention fast, with no doctor visits or prescriptions. You deserve reVive Light Therapy Acne Treatment. Whether you need to treat an isolated spot or your whole face, reVive Light Therapy delivers the safe, simple, FDA-cleared acne control you need. And the results that you'll love. Our secret ingredient? Science. Based on NASA scientific research, our medical-grade acne treatment products pack a 1-2 punch. Blue light penetrates pores to destroy acne-causing bacteria. Red light increases circulation to promote healing and reduce inflammation. Use these products by themselves or to supercharge your existing skincare routine. And say hello to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Rejuvenate, repair, relieve with reVive Light Therapy.